Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. Former NNPC boss Mele Kyari has denied reports claiming he is in EFCC custody, saying he is simply taking a much-needed rest after years of service. Addressing the rumor on X, Kyari said he served with the fear of God. The Kano State government has sealed two warehouses in the Sabongari area of Fage local government area of the Kano State for violating environmental regulation. This contained in a statement issued by the Director of Public Enlightenment, Ministry of Environment. The civil society organization under the aegis of the Network of Civil Society Organizations have called on relevant authorities to launch a thorough investigation to ascertain the causes of the recent ammunition explosion at Giwa Barrack in Maiduguri, the Borno State capital. Now, insecurity suspected bandits have abducted over 25 women in Kurmi, a community in Maru local government area of Zamfara state. According to the report, the victims were traveling to attend a wedding when the attackers stopped them. Similarly, bandits stormed Kanon Haiki community in Faskari local government area of Katsina state and abducted several peoples and rustled livestock during the attack. At least 4 Nigerian soldiers were killed when the suspected Boko Haram terrorists launched a brazen assault on the 27th Task Force Brigade based in Buniyadi, Gujba local government area of Yobe State on Friday night to Saturday morning attack. Now, politics. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has dismissed the allegation that his presidential ambition is responsible for the ongoing crisis in the opposition's People's Democratic Party (PDP). Atiku said those blaming him were the ones who triggered the crisis due to their selfish interests. Now, over 300 opposition members from the People's Democratic Party and NNPP in Kaduna North local government area have defected to the All Progressive Congress (APC). Still on politics, the immediate past chairman of the Nigerian American Public Affairs Committee, Texas, United States of America, Ike Chidolu, has urged Senator Natasha to present her evidence backing her claim or quiet the Senate. Now, sport. The Special Task Force Operations Safe Haven has flagged off the 5th editions of its Peace and Unity football tournaments aimed at promoting harmony and among diverse community within its joint operations area. Now, from the international scene, a 23-year-old British Nigerian Tamilore Odunsi was brutally stabbed to death inside her Houston apartment just days before she was set to graduate as a nurse. A 50-year-old Ugandan judge, Lydia Mugambe, working with United Nations, has been sentenced to 6 years in prison by UK court. For modern slavery, Mugabe was convicted for forcing a young woman to work as her maid without pay. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.